Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox the Young Forever Night version of BTS. So let's see. So this is the box, the out box, guys. It says Young Forever. Here. So what you see inside. Okay, let's take it out. Okay. So this is sponsored by Coca-Cola. Okay, so these are the two DVDs. The other one. Okay, it's good. Secured. Nice. And this is the picture. Young Forever. Black poster. And okay, so it's a black night, and this is what you see in the middle. There's BTS right there. Okay. Good. And the photo book. As you know, I don't have any photo card for this one because this is just a hunt. So no photo card. So this is the book. It's embossed, engraved Young Forever right here. And it's color mustard and navy blue. I don't know, sky blue to navy blue. Got it. Okay, got the big hit card. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, this is the morning. I thought it's always like RM. What's wrong? So cute though. So they don't have anything in this part. They only got something on the right side. Oh, sugar. Jean! So cute. Oh, Jean is so cute, guys. J-Hope. J-Hope. Jimin. Wow, Jimin! Jimina. Oh, orange hair of Kim Taeyong. JK. JK, the golden magnet. So cute. Wow, I love it. Nice. I love this the van, Volkswagen van, yeah. One of my dream vintage car. Oh, they're really taking photos. Okay, during the night time. Oh, they use flash at night. Okay. I like the aesthetic feel of the photo RF. This hair is, I don't know what to say about your hair. But you're cute. Sugar's hair here is like a silver ash. J-Hope's eyes. I love the eyes. Jimin, so cute here. Jimin here is not so thin yet, so he's so cute. Oh, V. JK. I really love the photos of JK. Like, JK is very photogenic. It's charismatic. I love this shot. The camping shot right here. Nice, the bonfire. Oh, thanks to Rap Monster, Sugar Jin, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. I really hope, guys, that they have like an English version of their album so that we can also read international, you know, the International Army, and also read. Okay, so these are the things in the CD. I really hope, guys, because as an international army, it's really a struggle for us. But of course, we still watch them even if there's no subtitle or something. Yeah. Hitman Bang for Bigot Entertainment. Alright, that's it. That's our Young Forever Day unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to have more videos like this. Thank you guys. Bye.